And the winner is... Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is a big day and you guys already know what day it is. So I got a different chair today, so I'm feel a little off. But anyways, before I get sidetracked, today is a big day. So today is the day of the giveaway. So today I will be announcing the giveaway winner. So I'm gonna go onto this website that I found and we are just going to, first of all, I gotta screen record this. Okay, so I'm getting into the little app, or not app, but the Filmora thing to screen record the video, so that way you guys can see who wins. Cause it is a random pick, you guys. A lot of people were DMing me, and I didn't get a chance to read everybody's DM, but that is not how you were supposed to enter, you guys. You're just supposed to comment down below on the giveaway video. So if you commented down below, that is how you get a chance to win the prize. And I think there's less than 400 people, I'm not really sure, that commented. So it has to be those particular people. Okay, so it is screen recording. Okay, so it is on screen record. So let's get into the website. So it would be comment giveaway picker. There we go. Okay, comment. Oh, so it's the website's commentpicker.com. So let's see. I'm just gonna go into my YouTube and get the URL from that video. So let's go to my channel, giveaway video. Okay. And then we're just gonna be taking the URL. Okay guys, so that's the Facebook, blah, blah, blah. Where do you put for YouTube? Instagram, YouTube tools? Is it YouTube tools? YouTube random comment picker, okay. And then here is where I'm gonna put, well there's one here, I think because I was testing it the other day, or not. Is that with the one that's already in there? Because I'm gonna put it, filter comment space, okay, so paste it on there. Okay, so now it's on there. Oh, perfect. So before I pick the winner, or it picks the winner, because obviously I can't, like, it's not a biased thing, so if you commented down below, that's how you're gonna win. I'm not picking anybody. So guys, remember, all you had to do was be subscribed to my channel, and what was the other thing? Oh, follow me on Instagram and comment down below why you think you should win. Now, you guys did, tell me a lot of your stories and why you guys thought you should win. I just thought it was a fun way to, get everybody talking and, expressing yourself, why you guys think you should win. But the reason I also wanted to do that was because I don't know if I'm gonna do that, well, yeah, in May. May is coming up. So in May, from that same comment section, I'm actually gonna do another random another random person from that comment section. And I'm just gonna send out a random prize to that person. But that's gonna be like, not shown on YouTube. I'm just gonna do it myself. Yeah. And eventually I do want to help other people, because you guys really touched me with what you guys were telling me from what I did read. So I am gonna try to give back as much as I can. I'm not in the position where I want to be, where I can't help everybody. I wish I was like Oprah, like you get the prize, you get the prize, you get the prize, but I'm not. So in the future I want to help. So yeah, to just stay positive and let's pick this winner. I'm talking too much, sorry guys. So yeah, that's all you really had to do, those 3 things. So if you commented down below, you were entered into the giveaway. So I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous as if it's me. So I'm so nervous, I don't know why. Okay, so let's see. So get YouTube comments. And it's gonna just pick some random person. Why isn't it doing it? This is amount of unique comments, 328. Oh, I'm picking the wrong thing. Okay, so start raffle and pick random winner. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Okay, here we go, guys. Oh, there goes all the names, there goes all the names. And the winner is Layla Nails. You won, girl. Congratulations. So if I don't get a chance to DM you, hopefully you did put your username in the comments. But if I didn't and you saw the video, go ahead and DM me. But I'll probably try to find you and DM you. So thank you so much, everybody, for joining this cool little giveaway that I had. So we have 2 winners, guys, remember that. So that's the first prize winner of the Koopa kits and the other little extra stuff. The second person is getting the little other things. So if you want to see what the prizes were again, go back to my other giveaway. I'll put that in the description box down below, you guys. So I have to write this down. I'm so excited for her, oh my gosh. I have to write this down because if not, I'm gonna forget. Either way, I have it screen recorded, but you know what? I'll take a picture of it with my phone. Let's do, remove the little mouse screen. And then I'm gonna do the second person next. So I'm gonna do pick another winner. Let's start it, guys. Drum roll, please. And the winner is Jen Jen_Isora. Congratulations, you're the second prize winner, guys. So don't forget to DM me on Instagram, and if not, I'll try to find you guys and DM you if you left me your username, your Instagram name or whatnot, your @name. So yeah, guys, that is it for the giveaway. If you guys if the winners didn't get a chance to see the prize, go ahead, go back to my other video. You guys can see your prize. I'm so excited. I don't have a prize number right now because I'm literally getting it ready to package. Hopefully I can get it out by Friday. So hopefully sometime next week you guys will get your prize. Thank you guys so much. Thank you everybody for joining. Thank you so much for making this possible. This was for my 1,000 subscribers. So we are at 5K now, thank God. And just to let you guys know, I have a lot of giveaways coming up that I'm planning for so many people, and then some people in my local area as well, because I want to do this cool giveaway idea, and I'll let you guys know in the future. But as of now, I am going to be doing more giveaways on my channel, and I'm so excited because I love giving stuff away for free. I don't know why. I get excited as if I'm receiving it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, guys, bye bye.